Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, today we are exploring amazing platform Flova AI, your personal AI video agent partner, where you can generate amazing videos by using amazing features. So here are the different features that you can use. Here are the models. In images, you can generate high quality images by using GPT Image 2.0, Nana Banana 2 and other features. In video, you can also use CDOS 2.0 and lots of other features. Here are the music tools. Here are the audio tools that you can use for your video. So a complete video production workflow is available here. You don't need to use different software. Generate a complete video here and you can start your work. So I will provide you a link in the video description. So friends, today we are going to explore a beauty product. I want to generate 30-second beauty cream ad. So I have my product. So first of all, let's check out the product information. Friends, here is product information. My product name is Lisa Beauty Cream. I want to generate 30-second ad by using Flova AI and CDOS 2.5. I target audiences USA, Canada, UK, Germany, France, Spain, Italy, and other European countries. Product theme is skincare, beauty, English language. Aspect ratio 16.9 horizontal. Resolution 1080p. Duration will be 30 seconds. I will generate this amazing video by using different dialogues. So here are the complete workflow details, script, and prompt that I will use in the video, and I will generate amazing video by using Flova AI and CDOS 2.5. So friends, let's start. Friends, I will add some information so that I can generate amazing video for you. Here's my product that I want to use in the video. So friends, I will add the information. First of all, I will add text. I have attached a complete video brief. And after that, I will use my product image. So friends, I have attached my product image. Now, I will choose a CDOS 2.5. And here is a scale that I can use. So lots of scales available here. So I will go with Real-Image scale, which is product promo video. So I have select. Now, Flova can generate amazing video for you. So I will click on the generate button. Friends, in the canvas mode, the process has been started. And here I can see a complete video generation line. How Flova generating amazing videos you can see in the storyboard. And also check in the check box. Now scale is ready and Flova asking me that, are you satisfied with 30-second video, aspect ratio 16.9, 1080p, English language? So I'm satisfied and process has been started. And now, another question. How should spoken product message appear on camera dialogue with precise mouth sign X, voiceover on CDOS 2.5 visuals? So first option looks better, so I will go with first option. So now I will click on the send button. Here we can check out video specification. Here's the final video specification. Video type, target audience. Video title, we can check out duration, output language, aspect ratio, resolution. So visual style, sound styles, all the detail is here. Here, if you want to change something, you can easily add it and you can change it. So I'm satisfied and process will be continue. Now the media assets generating and you can check out my product image. Also generating the prompts. Here are the resolution options. CDOS 2.5 1080p model uses confirmation. So I will go with the 1080p. So now the process has been started again. Here are the different shores. Now generating assets and different shores. Friends, the ad has been ready. Let's watch it.
Tired of dull, dry skin? Lisa Beauty Cream deeply moisturizes and penetrates. Infused with natural plant extracts, it melts on contact, leaving skin silky smooth and hydrated all day long. Deeply nourishing, pure and lightweight, suitable for all skin types. Lisa.
No, you can edit your ad. And here are the options that you can edit. If you want to add advice, you can edit here. And here are the multiple options, so you can edit your different parts. And here are the audio options. If you want to change something, you can adjust the volume, fade in, and all other options. Here are the scale options that you can check out. Here are the speed option. If you want to increase the speed, you can also set it. You can also pack the ad and even adjust the volume and adjust the scene where you want to adjust. You can adjust here easily. For example, if you're living in China, I will change this ad English to Chinese language and I want to introduce my product in China. So I want to change the ad in Chinese language. So let's start. I have ad. Please change my ad English to Chinese language for my Chinese audience. So I will click on the generate button. Here we can check out the process has been started and here is the final video specification. Lisa Beauty Cream, video type, You can check out target audience and it has duration, aspect ratio, resolution all set. Now I can move forward. Now storyboard is updated. For the localization, this ad will be changed English to China. So the process is continue. Please wait for the final result. Friends, video has been converted in Chinese language. Let's watch it.
还在为暗沉干燥烦恼？焕活每日透亮水光 ，Liza 面霜深层水润沁透，凝聚天然植萃滋养，触肤即溶，让肌肤整日丝滑水嫩，深层滋润，纯净轻盈，适合各种肤质。Liza。
Dear friends, if you want to change something in the ad, you can easily change it. I have select specific part of my ad and I want to change it. Here I want to change the cab and the environment. Nothing difficult, very easy. Just explain here what you want to change. So I want to change my product cab. I have clicked on the generate button. Here the process has been started. Friends, as you can watch, the jar cap is black. Now I will show you the comparison before and after. Friends, here you can check out before and after result. You can check out before the cap was in golden color and after you can check out the cap is in black color. Source looks really amazing. You can check out image consistency looks really amazing and you can change anything what you want to change in the video. So friends, now I will add captions in the video so that I can make it more beautiful and amazing. So friends, I have added the captions in this ad and ad looks really amazing. So friends, now I will show you full and final ad.
Tired of dull, dry skin? Lisa Beauty Cream deeply moisturizes and penetrates. Infused with natural plant extracts, it melts on contact, leaving skin silky smooth and hydrated all day long. Deeply nourishing, pure and lightweight, suitable for all skin types. Lisa.
Friends, you can also edit your ad. If you want to edit something, you can easily edit. And even, the good thing is that you can also save your complete workflow here. Here are the options. You can save all your files. And you can use it anytime, anywhere. In the future, no need to start from the scratch. You can start your work here. So I will click on this, and here you can check out the zip all files going to save. And it will be saved, and then I can use it anytime, anywhere. So, when you click on the files, your all work will be here. And you can add it and you can modify it to what you want to do. Friends, if you want to generate amazing videos, you can check out Flova pricing and plans. Here are the different plans. Starter, Basic, Plus, and Pro plans. You can check out and you can upgrade your account and you can generate amazing videos. So dear friends, I will provide you link in the video description. You can go and you can start your work directly. So friends, thank you very much for watching the video. See you in the next video.